Yeah.
Welcome po sa New Grace Purama Hotel. This is the 5th floor. Entering this entrance after the lift, after the elevator. This is the foyer. So, according to Pastor Rose, youth ministry will going to have a cell group here. So we must not enter in this room during Sunday, every Sunday. We must go out from this door. Let's go out from this door. Then, at ito po yung ating magiging room. Jupiter room po. Bali, ayos pa po itong silya every Sunday. Ito po ang kabuuan ng ating room. Ito pong partition na to ay sasarado every Sunday.
It's nice to be here.
Yan. Okay na yan.
Yan po.